Let's check all of the accessories that comes with Motorola Moto G86 5G. So first of all, as you can see, I have a brand new box. It even has this protection stickers, and we're gonna remove them with the knife. Okay, so the protection stickers are removed. Now we can check inside of the box, and first thing you're gonna see is your phone. It's actually even already equipped with the protection case. Next thing inside will be a cable. It's USB to USB-C, and a bunch of instructions and other paperwork along with the SIM ejection tool. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.